Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to sign out of your Gmail on your iPhone but can't find the logout button? Don't worry, I will guide you step by step. The first thing to do is to open your Gmail app. Launch your Gmail app on your iPhone. Then you access your profile. Tap your profile picture or the initials at the top right corner of your screen. Next, you manage account. Select manage account on your device from the drop-down menu. Next, you remove the account. Tap remove this device next to the account you want to sign out of. This action will log you out from Gmail on your iPhone. Another step is to use the alternative method via the settings app. Head over to the settings app, then you go to mail. Next, you select account. Then you select the Gmail account and you tap on the delete account button right at the bottom of the screen. And that's how you sign out of your Gmail on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more handy tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.